a business owner, it's so important to keep an eye on some of the crucial reports. There are two of my favorite reports which clients sometimes can ignore. So one would be their top 10 customers and then their top 10 suppliers. So really important to maintain those relationships. But sometimes when we are so busy in running the business, getting through things, we can sometimes ignore those relationships, and it's not a good idea for the sustainability of our businesses. Welcome back, everyone, to Neha's Bookkeeping Corner. Today, we're going to talk about two of my favorite reports. Again, I've got a lot of favorite reports, but these are the two, and hopefully you can use them and enjoy using them and actually make the best out of those. I'm going to share my Xero screen with you all. So when your banks are reconciled, your books are done properly, if you go to accounting, go to reports, and then you come here and go and search for top customer report, you can either go summary or detail, doesn't matter as long as you get the data. So you can decide whether you want to do it per quarter, whether is there a custom date you want. Let's just go, we want to look at last financial year. And we can now see which is our biggest customer and all the way down. This is also a good thing for you to understand. And this gets discussed by a lot of business coaches, by lots of advisors, is you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. So if you feel like there's a lot of disparity, you've got one client where you've got 75% of income and everyone else is, say, 25%. It's actually quite dangerous for business sustainability, because just in case something happens to that client or that contract, then it will put the business into a difficult position. So to avoid those sort of things, it's always a good idea to keep looking at these reports to make sure your business is on right track. So we're going to do the same thing with suppliers. So when we go back to the report, we quickly jump on to top suppliers. I prefer summary all the time. I only go to the detail where summary doesn't look right, and you can do the same thing as well. Let's just go to this last financial year in this one as well. Same thing with the suppliers. See which supplier is paying most. Again, if you feel like the business is struggling a little bit, it's always a good idea to keep an eye on your top suppliers, again, to maintain good relationship, to see if you can always get better prices. I hope this short video really helped you with finding out those reports. Well, happy bookkeeping, happy running your business, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye-bye.
Let's stay in touch. Follow us on YouTube at Neha94442. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at 0394249447.